When creating a sales record, like a quote or booking for example, HirePOS will expect you to provide booked from and booked to dates. These are the estimated dates and times that the hire will occur in between. When a sales record is moved to the booking or invoice modes, it becomes possible to input a hired from date and subsequently a hired to date. These are the actual dates and times that the hire leaves and is returned to your premises. It is important to note the difference between the booked and hired dates, as this is a common area of confusion amongst new users. When creating a quote, you use the booked dates field to place it in the correct spot on the reminders screen and the sales calendar. In booking mode, the booked date also dictates the period that the items on the booking are marked unavailable for. The hired dates are your actual dates for the hire, which you record when the items actually move. To the right of the dates field, there are time span cells that show in a duration format the difference between the from and to dates. It is possible to define a time span, and HirePOS will calculate the booked to date for you based on the booked from date and the time span. So let's have a look at how these dates affect the behaviour of other elements of the software. When a booking is given a hired from date, it will automatically convert itself into an on-hire invoice. The mode of the sales record will become invoice. However, the status on hire will be displayed on the reminder screen, the find sales screen, and many other key areas of HirePOS to indicate that the items are currently out with the customer. When a booking is given a hired from and hired to date, or to put another way, when an on-hire invoice is given a hired to date, it will automatically convert itself into a returned invoice. In this instance, it will no longer be visible on the reminder screen as there are no more hire-related tasks for it. However, it will be described as returned in the sales history, reports, and various other areas of the software. The sales record will remain in invoice mode from this point. One other very important function of HirePOS is highly dependent on the dates inputted into the booked and hired date fields. Autocalc. Autocalc makes use of the booked from and booked to dates to calculate the price for the items in your quote. Additionally, should the actual hired dates differ from the initial book dates, Autocalc can readjust the prices to suit the actual time the equipment was hired out. Correctly utilising dates and times in this area is key to getting the most out of HirePOS, as dates and times are both at the core of the software and at the core of the hire business in general. For more information on sales record modes, Autocalc, or the sales calendar, please see the related tutorial or visit the Help Centre in the HirePOS app.